Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete a poll in Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chats section, people, and right here you're going to find stories. So right here, as you can see, guys, in the chat section, you're going to find all of your conversations. And here in the top, you're going to find your notes and also your friends' notes. So right now, I'm going to go, for example, to this conversation. And then once you're inside of the conversation, if you want to delete a poll or a message on your conversation, all you need to do, guys, is go to the message you want to delete. For example, I'm going to go to this message, then hold click on it, and then right here you're gonna find the option to add a reaction. And here in the bottom, you're gonna find the option to reply the message. Here you can copy it. You can also pin the message. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find more. So go ahead and click on these three dots. Then right here, you're gonna find the option to forward the message, bump it, or remove the message. Go ahead and click on remove. And then once you click on remove, you're gonna find two options right here, and send and remove for you. So basically, guys, if you want to delete the message or the poll for everything for everyone, just go ahead and click on it send. And if you want to remove it only for you, click on remove for you. So right now I'm going to remove the message for me like this. And then here you're gonna find remove, go ahead and click on it, and then the message will be removed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.